I am going to attempt to hide from my family before they get home in this. I gotta do the dishes. It's doable for sure, Because then no one will check the dishwasher. Why would they check the dishwasher? I'm huge. I wouldn't fit in that. And who wants to do the dishes? I'm gonna be golden. I'll be able to play video games for forever. Here we go.
Oh my gosh, that's so scary. It's so much hotter in here than you would think. I'm sweating bullets. You know I was in here.
I can hear you. You know how to get out there?
I can barely get in. Operation turn my dishwasher into a secret cleaning fort a success.
We found you so fast.
No, you didn't. I was in there for so long.
No, you didn't.
Gotcha.